today. First, I'm very glad to meet everyone, and I can see a lot of special teachers, who has intention to be a special teacher, which is a grateful thing. The only I would like to, good things everyone knows already. I would like to mention something I need more. Actually, I'm not involved with the primary or early education. Me and Celia are more with middle school and senior school. So for things, strategy does not apply in our classroom anymore. So in the future, some way, somehow, I would like to upgrade the more comprehensive skills and strategy, general idea. And I would like to take out to the whole school, because in our school, we don't have inclusive setting for the classroom, or we don't have a special SEN rule yet. We don't have this department. So I would really like to have a big picture and more advanced strategies to apply in the classroom for senior kids. These 3 hours very well, especially with Miss Sharma.